A tempest of time spun wildly. In the heart of the maelstrom, a brave boy clutched a glimmering key. It sparkled with promise. The power to bend time lay within his grasp. But danger lurked nearby. The wicked feline watched, eyes glinting with malice. Time rushed forward, relentless. A voice echoed, counting down the seconds. A trembling friend glanced around, worry etched deeply in his fur. The metallic helper buzzed loudly, caught between orders and a newfound spark of thought. Removing fear like a cloak, the young hero prepared for confrontation. "Play with time and you may lose yourself," it hissed ominously. Visions of chaos flickered through the vortex. The weight of the choice pressed down like a stone. Together, they grasped hands, knowing what had to be done. A choice was made. The past must remain broken. With heavy hearts, they stepped into the warmth of now, understanding time's true treasure.